In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can pay on PayPal using your debit or credit card, bank card. Okay, how can you pay using your debit or credit bank card? When you go to, let me assume you have signed up on PayPal. If you haven't signed up on PayPal, you just have to go to paypal.com, sign up an account. After signing up an account, you have an account like this, or it may be a bit different from mine, depending on the country you're coming from. But whatever it is, when you want to pay someone, you have to click on pay. Okay. Pay and get paid. Or here you may have like send or receive. Whatever it is, doesn't matter. As long as you see send or pay, you're going to go that section. Then you're going to click on send payments. Okay. When you click on send payments, you're going to come to this section. Now, before you click on send or pay, whatever it is on your menu, because this payment is going to come from your card. This payment is going to come from your card. So what you're going to do is you're going to first add a bank card in your account. How do you do that? You have to go to your profile. I'm using a computer. You have to look for account settings. Okay. I'm going to click on my account settings. Let me first leave that window. When you click on your account settings or profile settings, you're going to look for something which is called money, banks, and cards. Okay, maybe bank cards or something. So when you click there, you're going to first add in a card in your PayPal account. Okay. Now this section is found on different sections. If you're on the home page of your PayPal, you may see that PayPal may be telling you to add a card. So you can easily add a card from your dashboard, but sometimes that section goes away. So if that section on your home page of PayPal is not being seen, all you have to do is go to account settings, or you click on settings, because this account is a business account. So account settings may be a bit actually different from your account. So, but if you're a personal account, you can just click on settings. Okay, then look for something like banks, money, and cards. So I have it here. I'm going to click on link a card. When I click on link a card, I'll have to put in my card details, my card number, my card type. Actually, this one auto selects itself, expiry, and security code, which are the 3 digits behind my card. After putting in these details, I can actually go back to my PayPal, click on pay and get paid, send payments. Then you come here. So you can easily select the person you're going to pay, something like that. Okay, you put in his email. Then after putting his email, you can say, I'm going to send him like $60. What is this for? This is a tip, or whatever you want. Then you have to click on next. Okay. So this is how you can pay with your PayPal using a debit or credit card in your PayPal account. You have to first add in a bank. You have to first add in your debit card in this PayPal by going to the settings section or the account settings section just directly below your names. Okay. Now, for those of you who are interested in knowing about how PayPal works and other interesting things about online making money online, game apps, and all that stuff, you should subscribe on this YouTube channel so that you don't forget these opportunities. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.